Bam!
Lovely pass. And the shot.
Square up, Nathaniel.
What?
Square up. That's better.
No, see?
That was a solid shot by him. I should have played.
And you go, oh, big, oh,
I'm not playing.
oh, I threw, I was gonna run. No cheese with two to have. I gotta say, I think you would have made that. Now,
Bam!